a colorful organizing review for you. Recently, I wanted to get really organized with my makeup, and then it turned into needing to get organized with my nail care. So I wanted to share with you what I bought, how much it costs, and what I put in these things. So if you're interested, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned. So I went to Michael's about 6 months ago, and Michael's is a craft store. I don't know if you have one in your area, but you can purchase these online as well, so don't worry if you don't have one. Anyway, I went to Michael's and I found this guy for $29.99, and I really didn't look around around that time. I just kind of ran in, grabbed this, and left. And then I was looking online a couple days ago, and I saw this one, which looks like this. It's not a really big box, but this is a 10-drawer organizing unit. I absolutely love it. $29.99, not sponsored, but it has wheels on the bottom if you need them. I'll tell you what I did with my first one. I did not. They have little screws right here for each little rung. On the bottom, they have 2 screws on each side, top and bottom. They have that little wrench thing that puts them in, kind of like the IKEA furniture things do. And I didn't tighten these up enough on each side, and I had the wheels on them, and it was teetering and tottering, and everything felt like it was like breaking. I thought it was breaking, and it was just me not tightening them. So when you buy this, tighten the heck out of it. I mean, you obviously don't want to bend anything, but tighten it really well and it will last you. Now, this one that I just purchased, I transferred all of my makeup here. Well, not all of it, but the makeup that I use on a daily basis. And I took the wheels off, or didn't put them on, and I'm going to leave it just like this, keep it sturdy. It's not going to move. However, I created this video for you not only because this is so beautiful, but because I decided I'm going to be doing my nails from home, and I decided to switch my makeup into the new one and put my NAILCARE here. I realized my NAILCARE was starting to become out of control. I have a lot of it, and so I wanted to have it very organized. I'm going to do a ton of content and videos and do my nails for you guys, and show you how things are done by an amateur. And so I wanted to have this that I could actually put the wheels on and roll it around. I'm going to do nails outside. I'm going to do nails inside. You know, some of these chemicals, they are stinky, so I felt like if this could be mobile, that would be great. So without further ado, I'm going to show you. Let's look at this really pretty one here. Basically on the side, it has a little stopper. Looks like little plastic teeth, maybe, I don't know, just kidding. But you put that in here for safety on the side. And so that way, if you have someone come in and try to rip your drawer out on accident, it won't come out all the way. Cross your fingers, it won't. Hasn't for me. So I put hair care. I have more hair care that's going in there. I have bleaching trays here. I have all my extra makeup here. And then I have eyeshadow palettes and all of my lip glosses, my brushes, all of those things are going to be transported from something I got from AliExpress. And I'm going to show you that when I show you my whole bathroom. The bathroom has so much in there, so we're trying to organize step by step. So let's go to nails. I'm going to have so many nail videos for you. It is not even going to be funny. I'm going to show you how to use these products. But like I said, I needed to organize them because everybody needs just some organization. So I decided I was going to put my nail polishes up at the top. That for me just kind of feels like it would work better. I did lose a drawer because the nail polishes are too high to have this drawer. So I lost one, so this is now a 9-drawer system, but right now it works fine. I don't need any more stuff anyway. So I put all of my nail system, gels, nail polishes, all kinds of stuff, nail stuff here. Then I have a drill. So when you do dip nail polishes, I don't know if you're familiar with the dip system, they call it Next Gen. You need a drill sometimes to kind of drill off the old polish to get to the bottom so you can start new. So I have that. And I got that for, I think, 20 something dollars on Amazon. I'll post that down below. Then these little grit bits actually just came in the mail from Amazon literally just 5 minutes ago. And they're labeled with how gritty they are to actually take them off. So to take off that, that dust, that powder. Another reason why I want to be outside, I don't want to have that dust everywhere. I took them off in my bathroom the first time and there was like dust everywhere, but don't be scared. You can put a towel down and it's fine if you're not planning on going outside and removing your nails each time. And then I just got these drill bits. These are all Melody Susie. So I have a ton, not a ton, but several different drill bits. These are the ceramic drill bits that I just got. I'm going to go into all that in a video for you, but I just want to show you kind of the things that I got and organized for. So I wanted to kind of keep the drill and the drill bit separate. And of course you're going to reach for that. Then I got a ton of different dip powders. I don't know if you know much about dip powders. If you've had Next Gen, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. They are literally a fine powder, and you take a nail system such as Kara Sky, and she will have, this is pretty much a 4-step system. So you put your bond on that gets your nails super dry so everything will stick, and then you get a base, and then you dip your finger in the powder, and then you dust it off and put the base on. Then you keep dipping the powder dipping your finger in the powder until you get to like your desired thickness, and then you kind of dust that off and you put the Seal Protect on, and then you do a top coat. We're gonna do a whole thing about that. I just want to show you. So I have several different systems that we're gonna try. Which ones they claim to be odorless. Unfortunately, none of them are odorless. They all have an odor. That's why we're gonna be outside for some of these. But I suggest if you are thinking of doing your nails at home, and you have never had the Next Gen or the dips done before, go once to the nail salon. If you can, if you can't, forget my advice. Go to the nail salon, watch them, how they do the process, go back, have them take them off and reshape your nails and go home and go to town. Now, here's something that's really cool that I got as well. So these are all the powders. I have glitter powders. This is golden glittery. I have a French dip system. I have all kinds of different colors. Then another brand had smaller ones. So, I mean, we're gonna have so much fun. It's crazy. Then you've also got to have little brushes to dust off the dust, or it will screw up the whole system. We'll talk about that too. But I just wanted to have that organized. I'll go into that in a second. So then we have my files, which I know I have more somewhere. I don't know where they are. I'll find them. And then this is just more files. These were the hardest things to find the last year. I could not find them, so I stocked up. I mean, they were $1, but I couldn't find them anywhere. So I have those. I went to the dollar store and I got these little bowls, like if I want to do like a mani or if I have to soak in acetone or something like that, I wanted to get this. I could do my dip powders in this. I could mix dip powders in this. So I got that. Then every single system has a way of actually applying their dip powders. So you want to go by their system. Even if you think you know what you're doing, always go by them. I have 3 different dip systems right now, so I have all of that literature here. All of my tools I have here. I don't have many tools, just cuticle pressure, stuff like that, cuticle nippers. Then down here I have nails, nail tips. Sometimes I will take these little guys and I will pour the powder on top into the powder bowl. It actually works really cool. I'm gonna have several different ways to apply the powder, so that's really fun. Then I have these. If you've ever had a French nail tip or dip French manicure. You fill this up with white powder or color powder now because everybody's doing the tips like Anna Nicole used to do. So I have a couple of these from a couple of different companies, but you can use them different ways. You could even, you know, take this and pour the color over your nail into this guy, and then you could pour this back in here and then pour it back in the bowl. I mean, there's so many different ways to apply the powder, so I'm going to show you that. That was just a little sneak peek. Then my last one, I have cotton rounds that are lint free. I have these little cute guys that if you do have to use acetone, you put on a cotton pad or lint-free cotton pad, and you go outside and you chill for 10 minutes in the heat, and all that extra funky stuff comes off. When I say funky stuff, I mean that nail dip powder. So I just wanted to be organized, and I think I am pretty organized now. I think it's a good start. I think I have enough stuff. Don't need anything else. But I wanted to show you something. So this UNT nail, it's like a latex material or liquid that you use. It first came out when people were painting their fingernails, and they would put it around the fingernail base, so then if you went outside the line on the skin, you wouldn't have to use acetone to remove it from the side. You could just literally peel this off and you have a perfect manicure, and that's just nail polish. Well, now people are doing several things. They're putting this first on, letting it dry, and the directions will tell you how long you have to let it dry. Many YouTubers, and of course we're going to use this too, so we'll get into it. But long story short, you can do a dip nail system on your nails and practice, and if you hate it, this is a peel, the latex. It will last for a week if you like what you did. If not, like hot water, and you'll maybe take a shower or bath. Hot water will kind of start to loosen everything up, and you literally will pop this off, and this will look like a Lee press-on nail. It will not look like anything, and then your nail will be totally cool. All of the nail YouTubers say that this is like the best and suggest it, and they are doing nail videos 1, 2, 3 a day, so they're having to use this underneath nail polish, and they just literally peel the nail polish off, and they are such satisfying videos. We'll definitely make some use of this, and go check those YouTubers out now. There's some really great ones, but that's something I got that was special. The other thing that I just received from Amazon is this. It's called Grip and Tip. I'm like, this is genius. If this works, this is awesome. So I open it up, and it comes, and it looks like that. And it moves up, has little hydraulics and a little pincher and rubber on the inside. And you can take your nail polish. Look at this. Is this not so cool? You can make this go as low as you need it to. You can make it higher. You can even move this guy down if you want to, but it's there, like, you can use it any way you want to, but it's there to hold it for you, so all you have to do is dip the stick in and out, and you're good to go. So how cool is that? I want to say that was under $10, and it is called Grip and Tip, so we'll be trying that baby out too. So that was cool. So that can go in with my little nail products. And then just, I don't know if I'm going to use them, but I bought some of these. You get 3 of these at the Dollar Tree for $1. So like, I put my brushes in here, my dip powders. So nail files, that little guy, those little bowls. These little things, I got something came with this. I think so nail files came with that. And then my cotton pads. And that's it. So we're gonna have some fun. We are gonna do some nails. We are gonna be organized. We're gonna be moving and scooting. And I wish I had 2 of these. They are so cute. It's so beautiful, but I'm happy with what I've got. I want to share it with you. $29.99, not sponsored, but you know, I love sharing these things with you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I had stuff everywhere and I made it organized even before we did the videos. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Get yourself 1, 2, 3, however many you need. They're amazing. I really suggest them. Very cute. Have a fabulous day or night wherever you are. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.